Copy that. Miragursa unleash the chains.
Oh, RUMI, please give me a break, Sai. That trophy isn't going anywhere. Come on! We are winning, Zach! Just one final push!
Let's go, RUMI! One more lap, and the trophy is ours!
This victory is mine! Thank you, Junior Vakil.
But their family cheated.
I know.
Hey boy, I think I know what I should do with you now. Just wait, okay?
This gem will give you extraordinary ancient power.
Wow, this is amazing. I can't believe it.
I have one more gift for you. Come with me. I ordered this suit for you.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Let's go, boy! Let's see what you can do with your new power! Top of the world! He will win back the championship!
Welcome back to the championship. It's rematch day.
Come on, RUMI! You should do this! Show the RUMI he's better than them!
It's time, boys. I want the best entrance the world has ever seen for me.
New cat for race? See you at the starting line. Oh no, Mira, I guess this time you should win by yourself. Did you buy that cat from the black market? I will beat you. Oh no! What happened? It's impossible!
No, this can't be happening! I cannot lose!
Oh yes, one job and you messed it up!
You have to trust me. Someone destroyed the control.